All right, so our last factoring review. What you do when you start with a polynomial with 4 terms. Right away, we see 4 terms for our polynomial. We check and see, of course, if there's a greatest common factor. And if there isn't, we split it into 2 polynomials. We're going to look at the first one, and we see we have a greatest common factor of 4 and x squared. So I'm going to pull that out. And I'll have 4x squared times x minus 5. Okay, and then over here I have, again, look, leading negative, so I'm going to pull out a negative, in this case 9. Okay, left with x, of course, and then minus 5. Oh, and I didn't write my negative 9 here. Okay, so what are my 2 factors? 4x squared minus 9 and x minus 5. Most of the time at this point you'll be done, but we do want to look at those 2 factors, and hopefully it stood out to you that this first factor is a difference of 2 squares. So since it is, I can factor that into 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3, and then I'm going to go ahead and just bring the other factor down, x minus 5. So my final answer is right here.